Welcome to this free text-to-animation generator. It offers a variety of anime characters for consistency and can even create realistic videos. You can also upload your own images and have full control over the animations. It's perfect for making text-to-animation stories for platforms like Instagram or TikTok. In this video, I'll walk you through how to make AI-generated videos and voiceovers, all for free. Welcome to Pixverse. Check out the link in the description. There are two ways to create your AI videos. You can join their Discord server to generate videos, or use the website by signing up for a free account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on a dashboard with access to all the community-generated videos. You can click on any video to view the prompt used and either upscale it or make a similar one by hitting the Create button. Let's start by generating a video from the website. Click the Create button at the top right, and you'll be taken to the video creation page. Here, you can select whether you want to generate a text-to-video or image-to-video animation. In the text-to-video section, type your prompt, for example, the girl walking on the street in night. You can also add a negative prompt to exclude certain elements. You can change AI model, then choose the style realistic, anime, or 3D. Select the aspect ratio, such as 9:16 for vertical videos, and choose a seed number to reference previous generations. Finally, click Create to turn your text into an animation. In just a few seconds, you'll see your AI-generated video. You can rate it or click the heart icon if you like it. Now, let's try the image-to-video feature. Upload an image, set the motion direction, and write your prompt. Adjust the animation speed with the slider, and click Create for an image-based animation. Finally, let's discuss how to add voiceovers. Download your video, then use a tool like CCut to add text-to-speech. Upload your video, type your text, and choose a voice profile. Remove the text layer, and your voiceover will be added. Once done, export your video in high quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.